Woke up this morning and I stood in front of the mirror of self-judgment. I have come to discover that life, joy, peace, happiness is God-given. Therefore, I must incline my heart to positive thoughts and words. Mankind needs to be mindful of what we listen to, what we hear, read, believe, and accept as truth, because they all form our existence on earth. We as a people belong to three categories of humanity. The pessimist who complains about the wind and blame everyone but themselves even when they know they are wrong. The optimist who expects evil to change without them doing anything. Then we have the realists who adjust the sails of life. Knowing how to respond to life issues is wisdom. Knowing how to remain positive and peaceful in times of difficult challenges is enlightenment. We need to understand that being responsible for our actions is maturity. Knowing when to stop worrying and seek peace is knowledge, because that is what will keep us alive in these difficult times. Most times we create habits, then they turn around to create us, which then becomes our character leading to our destination. We are here today because of the decisions of mankind. So if mankind can change and begin to take the right decisions, then we can begin to enjoy peace. Let's turn this evil tide around by remaining positive, taking some rest, reading something. Incline our hearts to the good news of those who have been through the storms and have come out smiling. Let's try not to cloud ourselves with negative problem seeking and carnal-minded people and news. Rather, let us incline our hearts to being solution-minded and peace-seeking. The storms shall wither and we shall triumph, but it only takes us to be positive for us to triumph.